Hello, welcome our Review Insight channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show some of the best wireless car charger which are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. Let's go start.
Number 1. Wireless car charger. CHGeek 10 watts key fast charging auto clamping car mount windshield dashboard air vent phone holder for iPhone and Samsung. Key certificated wireless charger, built-in upgraded chip. CHGeek wireless car charger intelligently identifies and charges your device with the fastest speed and safe. Automatic clamping with radiant design. With advanced sensors, the wireless car charger makes everything easier and safer. 2-in-1 design. 2-inches-1 design combines the key wireless charger and a car phone holder, allows for a secure hands-free experience. Foreign object detection with LED alarm. When there is a metal substance between the wireless car charger holder and the device, the car charger will stop charging and the red light flashes to alarm. Compatibility. 10W fast charge mode, using QC 2.0 3.0 adapter. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, S10 S9 Plus, S8 S7 Edge. 7.5W charge mode, using QC 2.0 3.0 adapter. iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, iPhone XS, iPhone X, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus and later. Standard charge mode. Number 2. Wireless car charger automatic clamping MANKIW 10 watts key fast charging car charger mount compatible with iPhone and Samsung. Key features. Smart automatic opening and clamping clips design, one-hand operation, containing a built-in advanced sensor. 2 clips of the mount will automatically opening, close and grip your phone when the phone is attached to the holder. Wireless fast car charger mount, 2-in-1 design combines charger with phone holder in one unit. Pull down the bottom bracket to keep the phone and coils aligned so that wireless charging pad offers a quickly charger while driving. Thick case friendly and faster charging, no need to remove your phone case. Most of phone cases in the market accept rugged, uneven case while charging. Stable sucker, adjustable view, secure sucker sticks tightly on the dashboard or most surfaces. The dashboard car mount has 2 ways to move and adjust, the adjustable arm and 360 degrees joint ball could help you find the most suitable angle for safe driving. White compatibility. Suitable for cell phones between 4-6.5 inches, compatible with any key-enabled cell phones. 10W fast charger for Samsung Galaxy. 7.5W fast charger for iPhone. Seller warranty. This product includes 3 months money back and 1 year worry-free. Number 3. ZeeHoo wireless car charger, 10W key fast charging auto clamping car mount, windshield air vent phone holder compatible iPhone and Samsung. ZeeHoo wireless fast charging mount holder packed with the exclusive high-speed wireless charging technology and provides safe and fast charging. Now you can charge your phone, glance at your GPS, receive hands-free calls and keep your eyes on the road. Highlight features. Smart automatic sensor design, automatic opening and clamping design which can be operated with one hand and make everything easier and safer. Just place your phone inside the holder, the clamps will close and provide a strong stable hold. Key wireless charger and phone holder, 2-in-1 design combines the key wireless charger and a car phone holder. Thick case friendly and faster charging, no need to remove phone case. Most of phone cases in the market accept rugged, uneven case while charging. Strong suction cup and adjustable viewing. You have multiple installation of the wireless car charger holder. It can be installed on the windshield, dashboard, table securely with a strong suction cup. Color, multiple color available. Black, gray, red, dark silver. Compatibility. 10W fast charge mode, using QC 2.0 3.0 adapter. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, S10 S9 Plus, S9, S8 S8 Plus S7 Edge, S7. 7.5W charge mode, using QC 2.0 3.0 adapter. iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, iPhone XS, iPhone X, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus and later. Standard charge mode. Number 4. Key wireless charger car mount Corehan automatic clamping car fast wireless charger with air vent phone holder dashboard cell phone holder and car charger, compatible with iPhone Galaxy phone. Key features. Key certification. One-hand operation. Universal phone compatible. Matching of various types of vehicles. 360 degrees rotation. Certified key wireless car charger. Wireless charger car mount can automatically identify most wirelessly charged phones to reach the maximum charging iPhone with maximum 7.5 W, Samsung phones with maximum 10 W. One-hand operation, keep your drive safe. Built-in electromagnetic inductor, the wireless charger car mount will automatically clamp when you place a phone on it and touch a key to release the unsafe. Equipped with fast car charger. Remarkable compatibility and case-friendly. Compatibility. 10W fast charge mode, using QC 2.0, 3.0 adapter. Samsung Galaxy series. 7.5W charge mode, using QC 2.0, 3.0 adapter. iPhone series. Standard charge mode. Seller warranty. We support 2-month no-hassle return, 1-year replacement for product quality problems. Artificial damages excluded. Number 5. Wireless car charger, tip key auto clamping air vent dashboard car phone holder and QC 3.0 car charger, 10 watts compatible for Galaxy and iPhone. Key features. How it enable fast charging. The tip car wireless charger mount is key certified. Built-in responsive smart chip which can intelligently identify wireless fast charging device and selects optimal charging power performances. One-button auto clamping technology. The tip key wireless car charger is built-in advanced sensor which allows one-hand operation. Does it enable charging with phone case? Yes. Tip wireless charger car mount can work for phone with phone cases. Suitable for most of the phone case, but not include metal attachments. 360 degrees adjustable car phone charger mount. The phone holder is offered as an air vent or dashboard mount. Have adjustable extendable strong arm with washable and reusable suction cup, and 360 degrees ball joint flexibility to ensure the best angles for safe driving. Color, multiple color available. Black, red, silver. Compatibility. 10W fast charge mode, Samsung Galaxy series. 7.5W charge mode, all kinds of iPhone. And standard charge mode. What you will get? 1 wireless car charger mount. 1 dual QC 3.0 car charger. 1 dashboard mount and air vent clip. 1 micro USB cable. And we support any quality issue in 18 months. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. And make sure enable notification bell icon and check the description below for links.